Hey there, it's Kelly Domaille at Domaille Real Estate. Have you guys ever wondered why so many people are choosing to move to Byron, Minnesota? Well, Byron has been attracting new residents from all over the country because they offer that mix of small town charm, they've got top-rated schools, and they're so close to Rochester. And in this video, we're going to share reasons why our clients have shared with us about why they chose Byron when they were moving to Minnesota. And if you're thinking about a move to Byron, Minnesota, you definitely don't want to miss these insights. So make sure that you watch to the end, and don't forget to reach out to Domaille Real Estate for expert guidance when you're making your move so that we can help make it as smooth as possible. Hi guys, I'm Kelly Domaille, and I own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty here in Rochester, Minnesota. And Byron is one of the fastest growing communities in Southeast Minnesota. And today we're going to be sharing why so many families and professionals have made their move here and why you might want to as well. Now, I've lived here in Byron for about 22 years myself, and one of the main reasons why I moved here was for the schools. And if you ask anyone around town, what's Byron known for? They will most certainly tell you it's our schools. And according to niche.com, the Byron public school system is consistently ranking among the best in our state because they offer excellent academics, really strong extracurricular programs, and a super supportive school community. Now, another reason why my clients love Byron, it's because it offers that small town living with the city convenience of being really close to Rochester. We're actually just about a 15-minute drive to Rochester and the Mayo Clinic campus. And we offer safe and quiet neighborhoods with a really strong community vibe. So you're always going to see people walking, biking, and visiting on any given day. So it's really ideal for professionals and families that are really seeking that balance and space from being in the bigger city. Now, housing in Byron is more affordable than Rochester. Not by a ton, but just enough. We've got some great options for newer rental townhomes and apartment complexes, as well as affordable established communities and spacious new construction developments. And the cost of living here in Byron is lower compared to big city alternatives. And anytime that your dollar can go a little further, I think that's a great thing. Now, the real standout, though, is that Byron's welcoming community and outdoor lifestyle make it really feel like home. New residents are constantly mentioning to me that the town's friendly neighbors, safe neighborhoods, and abundance of parks and trails and just outdoor activities are key reasons why they love living here. Which leads me to the second reason why I moved here. Byron's got a PGA-rated golf course community, and that's where I live because I love to hit the links, and now I can do it right from my back door. So it doesn't get any better than living right here in Byron. So if you'd like more information about why people move to Byron, Minnesota, please reach out directly or throw a comment or question down below and I'll make sure that I get back to you. And of course, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all of our socials, hit the like button, and you can click on the boxes in your screen for some of our other videos too. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.